Tabarka, starting point for many excursions. It is a tourist town located 200 kilometers northwest of Tunis. She has beautiful landscapes such as needles located opposite the sea. It is important to remember that this region is known for spearfishing and scuba diving, where you can admire the magnificent coral rocks. A combination of sea and mountain. The center of Tabarka, built at the start of the French Protectorate, has an air that feels a little old-fashioned. Have a refreshing drink in the Café de Zanalou, a Moorish cafe in the heart of the town, then stroll along the charming marina where fishing boats rub shoulders with yachts. The recently developed resort of Tabarka is built around a stylish marina, Porto Corallo, and a superb beach of fine golden sand situated some 4 kilometers from the old town. The town is famous for its landscape with a combination of mountains and the sea, providing a rich environment for ecological tourism. The surrounding cork oak forests ideal for walking and bird watching. A backdrop of mountains and forest, and you have the perfect ingredients for a quite different holiday in this intriguing country. The town is dominated by an offshore rock on which is built a Genoese castle from the 16th century, lying on top of a wild island and with a fascinating views and history. In addition to the fort, the rock pinnacles of Tabarka are not to be missed. Soaring 25 meters of height, the needles of ochre-colored rock were sculpted by wind and water over millennia. Add to this, a magnificent golf course, set amid 270 acres of eucalyptus, pine and moke trees, on the one side and the Mediterranean on the other, a quite beautiful and challenging course worth playing for the views alone. Tabarka is famous since ancient times for its coral fishing, a true paradise for lovers of the sea. It contains a wealth of coral used in making jewelry. Fishing coral is a vital local activity. During the summer and for 1 week only, Tabarka plays host to an international jazz festival with artists appearing from all over the world. In September, another event, Coralis, is a festival of diving and underwater photography. Tabarka has a dozen or so resort hotels on the beach. You could also choose hotel accommodation at the edge of the forest or a small boutique hotel in the town center.